Buy high-quality 12v 14ah generator battery. Finding a 12v 14ah generator battery is not easy, especially in the online market. Not only that, but you have to find one that is suitable for your generator and that will be able to supply all of the power you need. This guide is going to tell you what to know about finding a 12v 14ah generator battery. What is a 12v 14ah generator battery? A 12v 14ah generator battery is a very common and essential component for a generator. It supplies the needed amount of current and voltage that your generator gets from the start, which gives you enough energy to run it. These rechargeable batteries are not only used in the generator, but also these batteries are used extensively in phones, laptops, and other devices that require input from constant power sources. They also have a role in transportation such as buses and cars, flex fuel vehicles, where they could provide backup to the internal combustion engine during periods when it cannot be operated due to lack of electricity or fuel. The rechargeable batteries can be charged by connecting them with an ordinary charger. However, some newer models may use quicker charging methods like fast charging systems. Lead-acid batteries. Lead-acid batteries are the most common battery technology in use. They're widely available, relatively inexpensive, and they can be recharged over several hundred times, depending on the type. Lead-acid batteries can be permanently sealed, which means there is no possibility of creating a leak over their lifetime. In addition to the physical benefits of lead-acid technology, it's also beneficial from financial perspectives because of its extremely low maintenance requirements and cost per battery use cycle. Lead-acid batteries have very low self-discharge rate. For this reason, lead-acid technology is considered as one among the cheapest technologies to maintain. So you need not be worried about taking care of your 12v 14ah generator battery. 12V sealed lead-acid battery is the most commonly used batteries in consumer electronics. Its power capacity ranges between 40 to 80 amp-hours with an extended service life of 5 years or more, depending on the quality and maintenance practices followed by users. The sealed lead-acid batteries can be recharged hundreds of times before requiring replacement, but they must never be allowed to completely discharge. This will shorten their useful life significantly. Best 12 volts 14ah generator battery. In order for your generator or any device that runs on electricity to function properly, you need two things: power and voltage. Your 12v 14ah generator battery will provide the power by which your generator will start. Mighty Max Battery ML1812 to 12 volts 18ah rechargeable battery is the best battery for your domestic or small business's use. Its components are of premium quality and very durable, which ensures the longevity of the battery for years. Mighty Max Battery is a 12 volts 18ah sealed lead-acid SLA rechargeable maintenance-free battery from Mighty Max Battery. This ML1812 SLA is a maintenance-free battery, UL certified. This Mighty Max battery features a spill-proof characteristic, high discharge rate, wide operating temperatures, long service life, and deep discharge recovery. ML1812 sealed lead-acid SLA rechargeable battery is high quality, very reliable, and is backed by a 1-year warranty. Technical specifications. Brand: Mighty Max Battery. Battery: cell composition sealed lead-acid. Unit count: 1 count. Voltage: 12 volts. Reusability: rechargeable. Amperage: 18Ah. Chemistry: SLA, AGM. Terminal: nut and bolt, NB. Battery dimensions: 7.17 in x 3.03 in x 6.57 inches. Weight: 11.90 pounds. How do you charge a 12v 14ah generator battery? A 12v 14ah generator battery can be charged through a number of ways. One way is to charge the battery with a charger that is designed for that type of battery. Alternatively, you can also use solar panels and charge the battery in sunlight. A 12v14ah generator battery is charged by connecting the positive terminal of a battery charger to the positive terminal and negative terminal of the battery, and then connecting it to a ground or earth ground. What are the benefits of using a 12v14ah generator battery? A 12v14ah generator battery has many benefits, including its ability to work at low temperature. Even in below zero temperatures, a 12v14ah generator battery can still be used for power generation due to the strong performance it gives even when the temperature is less than -2 degrees Celsius or 24 degrees Fahrenheit. A 12v14ah generator battery has a range throughout the year because it is maintenance-free and does not need to be charged often, unlike other types of batteries that need to be fully discharged before recharging.